6-year-old sexually assaulted at daycare. Teenage boy charged. Trelawney farmer allegedly chopped to death by cousin. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A 15-year-old student of Boxfield Ocho St. Anne is scheduled to face the court following an incident in the parish on Saturday, January 27, 2024. Reports from the Ocho police are that a 6-year-old girl was at a daycare facility when the accused barged in on her in the bathroom, where he sexually assaulted her and subsequently had sexual intercourse with her. A report was made to the police and an investigation was launched into the matter. The accused was later taken to the station by his relatives, where he was charged with rape and grievous sexual assault. His court date is being finalized. A 59-year-old farmer was chopped to death, allegedly by a male relative at his home in Sherwood Content, Trelawney, early Sunday. The accused, who is also a farmer, is now in police custody. The deceased has been identified as William Jenkins. Jenkins was reportedly attacked around 3 a.m. The accused man and Jenkins were neighbors. A woman stated that she was the sister of the man accused of the crime, stated that her brother was behaving in an unusual manner in recent days. The Clarkstown police are investigating.